Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. You need to start by accessing Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and click on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section. Scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you, in my case this one. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed, but you can always customize it instead by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and choose one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, tap on your photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and choose Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, just click on the chosen one under My Themes. Tap on this pin icon next to key borders and choose Yes in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon, and making your changes. Then tap on Save and click on Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!